I've been making a point to no longer be a victim to my fears. This would have scared the hell out of me years ago. But here I am, conquering a fear, learning and doing and feeling and experiencing a new thing. And right now I'm just coasting. It feels so nice to see all of the life as it just unfolds as you pass. And the time goes quickly. Before I knew it, I was like well past the point I wanted to go. But the path back upriver, you can hear me grunt and groan and plead, and I am pressing and pressing, but boy, what a lesson. That even though it seemed like I was moving only centimeters along this relatively still river upstream, that took some work. So I conquered something today. And the greatest thing I conquered was me. I pushed through something that was very scary, very hard. And it didn't paralyze me. And I won.